Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna make a part 2 on the best kid in Winstreak 1v1, okay? So a person in the comments told me that if I go to settings and put controls and put this to something else, then Q, it'll fix it. Oh, overlapping with kids, I didn't see that. Alright, choose your key. I guess Z. No, actually H. H. Yep. Alright, so let's see if that works. I'm gonna put on the terror kit. Let's go. Winstreak 1v1. Let's go. So if that actually works, you're a W, man. Thank you for telling me. I appreciate you a lot. Oh, let's do this. Now, since it works, this should be an easy win. Sub to underscore QWERTY Roblox YT. Sub to me. That's what I said, bro. Sub to me, I sub to you. You up for it? Let's see if it works. Oh, let's go! It works! Okay. W man, this is W man. I'm fine with H, honestly. Oh my god, that's a W man right there. Thank you for telling me that I need to fix my controls to use my kit. Sheesh. Okay, no. No, I don't trust people like that. If he takes my bet, listen, he can kill me. And? Let's go. Come on, boy. Look at him. Okay, thanks. That's what I type. Just in case I'm buying armor, I don't trust him a lot. I'm getting blocks too. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Boom. Alright, me come. I know this man is gonna trick me, so I have armor and everything. So either, oh, he's actually letting me win. What a nice man. Look at that, I told you. Lock kill, let's go. GG. Alright, that was just a free win. But now I am probably gonna win for it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This kid is so. I'm just gonna hit a couple stacks on him and then win. Look at that. Bro, what the flipper dopper is this avatar, bro? I'm not disrespecting the Fulton drip, but what is that? The mask and that crystal thingy. Hey man, am I explaining why he put that on? Like, that? Oh, you're not talking to me anymore? Okay. No one talks to me. I have no friends. Alright, let's just quickly win this game. I don't have intentions on playing a long game. Get 4 more iron. I'm literally tryharding right now. But this is the best kid to win in Winstreak 1v1. I'm just telling you, bro. You can literally go to their bed, build up, and then just smash some blocks onto them. Not the weird way. And then you just kill them like that. Look at that. 8, 12, 18, 18. And I kill him. Look, 0 hits. He's gonna chase me. Of course he is. Some stacks. And now he's dead, and we win. GG's, and easy. Okay, don't want to be toxic. But you see how easy you can just win? I'm heading for 5 wins right now. But this is easy to win. Why don't you get some blocks, rush their base, build up, slap some blocks onto them, and they're dead. And then if they're hiding, you can just finish them out with your sword. Like, this is way too OP. Block is broken. Yeah, it should have been more because I slammed blocks and then so let's try as a 2-ish. 9 lives. Okay, that animation is goofy. Hey, yo, hey, what you doing? Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Oh, nah. What is this man doing? Oh, no, he's falling. I'm scared. Oh, juke him. Boom. Get some blocks. Same map. It's okay. Just slap on some blocks onto him. Don't mind what I'm doing right now. Okay. It should be 22. Just gonna push my base. I'm scared. Wow, dude, I'm very scared. Dude, I'm like incredibly scared right now, bro. You're not winning. I told you, bro, this is not fair. Oh, he lobbied. Well, sometimes that happens. This is too broken, bro. This is too broken. This kid even got an insane buff. Now it's the best in wishing 1v1. I literally can get unlimited wins. I'm heading for 5, so I'm gonna do 2 more matches. This guy's name is Fake. Yeah, your life is fake. I'm sorry, bro. Let us be friends. Bacons. Let's go. Bacon friends. Bacons are the best. They should never be punished. How level 20 with Terra? That's it. Bro, he's asking how I have Terra, dude. Just don't worry about it, bud. Oh my god, bro's dead. Okay, weird. Just 2 wins just like that. He just lobbied. He knew he was gonna lose. Yep, see, I told you. If you guys have Terror, like I said, if you guys have Terror and wish you're going to go on game moves out, you are stacking your wins up. This is my last game. If I lose, it's okay. I shouldn't lose. This is the best kid in the game, bro. What is he gonna see my kid and he's gonna be panicking? Oh, of course, Evelyn. Well, guess what? Evelyn won't save you with that 15 shield. You may not even hit me, bro. I'm just gonna be like hitting you with blocks all around your face. Oh yeah, with stone too. Better watch out, bud. Where is he at? Bro, I can't see. Oh no, he's already rushing. Are you kidding me? How did you know, buddy? I have Terra kit, boy. Not to me. Come on, I missed. $15. I'm rushing your bed. 23. You can get my bed. Let's go. No. Dude, how do you not fall? Okay, I kind of gotta rush him since he's low. Let's go! Yes! Yes! Let's go! Alright. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, Derek is the best kid for Winstreak 1v1. That's proof. I literally died 0 times, I'm pretty sure, in the whole entire video. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Also, I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers where I give away 8 people whatever they want in the kit item shop. So if you guys want that to happen sooner, make sure to smash the subscribe button, smash that like button, and comment using down below. And I'm Mark, and I'm out.